Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute bumblebee. You can use pencil, marker, whatever you feel comfortable with to draw. I'm going to use this marker right here. To start, we're going to make a big oval shape. It's best to start at the top because we're going to leave a little gap at the end. Here I go. I'm going to go downward and then go up, around, and remember, we're going to leave a little bit on the top so that we have space for the wings. So let's close up this oval shape. We're going to be making an N shape. There we go, wrapping it around and closing it up. We're going to make another N or an upside down J, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to wrap it around here and bang. There we go. We have two cute wings. Next, we're going to make the stinger in the back. And that's going to have a very pointy triangle shape. Going up and down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So simple. Let's continue by making the stripes of the bumblebee. Those are going to be curved shapes. Coming down. There you go. Our first one. And I'm not going to go too far. I'll make another line going curved. And this one's going to be a little bit closer. And going down. Let's make another one. There we go. We have all our stripes for our bumblebee. Let's make our face. Starting with the eyes. Let's make an N shape right here for one eye and another N shape for the other. Cute little eyebrows on the top and cute little mouth. Our cute bumblebee is complete. Now it's time to color in. You can use markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you feel comfortable with using. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.